Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm gonna show you how to show exe icons on Linux. By default, Linux file managers don't always show the correct icons for exe files. But there is an easy fix. You can make your Linux display exe icons with one command. First, open up your terminal and type this command to install exe-thumbnailer. This program allows you to show exe icons on your file manager. After the download finishes, just simply restart your system to take the effects. Alright, I just restarted. Now let's run the file manager. As you can see, all the exe programs are showing with exact icons. And that's it for this video. You can check out my channel for more Linux tips like this. And as always, see you later.